my tag na channel. So for today's video guys, we're on the road. Good morning, Jax!
Hello.
Yes guys, so guys, meron kami update. So mamaya ulit yung update ha. Ang puti ko naman dito. Bye bye! Okay guys, so ayan, nandito na tayo sa ating caravan park. Ayan, Lilydale Hill Caravan. Okay guys, so that's it. Yung pagkuha natin sa Rosebud. And papunta dito sa Lilydale Pine Hill Caravan Park. At we decide to get the scenic caravan. So Jax will detail you kung why we get this caravan. And anong meron dito sa caravan na to, guys. So, guys, are you ready to listen to Jax? Jax!
Hi, guys. Prepare for nosebleeds. So, yeah, I mean, I've been looking at caravans since we were even back in the Philippines. I mean, I started planning, or at least looking to get a caravan, I reckon, more than a year ago. And so, I mean, all my Lazada purchases and, yeah, all the deliveries off Shopee and Lazada have all been sort of coming to, I guess, this point. So, yeah, I've been looking at caravans while I've been overseas, and to be honest, my first, I guess, picture was actually just going to be like a camping trailer. So all that had was just this very small kitchen, a fridge, a tiny seating area, and a bed. There was no bathroom and all that. And then I think on the back of cryptocurrency going up in value and whatnot, I sort of sold that, and I guess over time, as that went up, my sort of, I guess, needs wanted. So then from going from a camping trailer, I went to a pop-top one, so slightly larger, but it was pretty much just the top expanded. But then with that, you had issues with a fridge only being small, so the freezer was inside the fridge. The bathrooms are usually like an ensuite, so like the shower was over the toilet, so if you wanted to have a shower, you'd pretty much saturate the whole room. And then I started looking at caravans, and then caravans, it seems like the longer you went, the more stuff you got. So first you'll get like an ensuite with a bathroom and a toilet. Then if you went a tiny bit longer, you'd actually get a washing machine included. So I reckon after we got the car, I think that was pretty much within a week of getting out of quarantine, I started looking at caravans again. There's stuff I had to do first of the car before I wanted to start towing anything. But we started looking, I've been looking online on caravancampingsales.com.au, Facebook Marketplace. I think it was like Trading Post. There was a few of them, and yeah, nothing that sort of stood out. We went for an inspection of one. I think it was about a week before we started looking, or went to this particular dealership, and that one there, nice inside, but again, it was smaller than this. I'm just trying to remember the layout. I think the bed was at this end. You did have like an ensuite at the other end, but again, the seating area was like a cafe sort of seat, so it was like a small rectangular bench with seating either side, so it was quite tiny. Yeah, and then we happened to go to, I found a couple on Rosebud, which one of them looked alright. I actually had like slides that come out from the side, but again, it had barely any storage. I had like a Murphy bed, so every night you would have to pull the bed down if you want to sleep, or just leave it out the whole time. And then I saw this one here, and it's 23 foot long. It's got, yeah, like a U-shaped seating here. So I guess the layout, I sort of fell in love with, yeah, the U-shaped seating. So you could fit probably 6 people around this table. The bed there is kind of like your own bedroom, rather than just having like a double bed at the end here and nowhere to sit. That's quite large. You got the washing machine. Yeah, it comes with everything here. So in terms of, yeah, why I picked this one, I mean, the price was good. It had everything that I wanted. So again, that was everything I wanted. Was pretty much the double door fridge, the washing machine, yeah, I guess the air conditioning. There's a few necessities that I had to have, but there was a few things I wanted. Yeah, which really the washing machine and the fridge, and yeah, the seating sort of came as yeah, the seating was, I guess, just a bonus. And this one here, I mean, you've got the 3 skylights throughout, so it's great for natural light. And it's just a lot larger really than yeah, than what a lot of other caravans sort of offer. I mean, I'm sure we could probably bring up photos if you want to show sort of like a comparison to the inside of other ones, but yeah, you have storage there, which again, because of the layout of other places, you don't really have any extra storage. With the U-shape as well, you do have storage up here, down here. A lot of those other ones, because you've got the bed above here, a lot of the storage above the bed is really for your clothes. So here we've got dedicated storage for anything else we want to take with us, which will probably be a lot of my sort of toys and cords and gadgets and whatnot. And you have extra storage up here where we keep our plates and that. Yeah, it's just very spacious. Plus you've got the tunnel boot at the front here where I store my hoses and that. yeah, can't really go wrong. And when you got the extra speakers here, the stereo up here, yeah, quite happy.
So what year is your Caravan and how much it is one?
So the Scenic Regal here, so it's a Scenic Regal. The Regal is actually spelled R-I-G-A-L, which I think Regal is R-E-G-A-L. So I first said Regal, but it's apparently Regal. I bought it for 35,000.
It's 37, but it's
yeah, I
discount.
bought it for 35, but yeah, the guy sold it for, it was 37. It was on the price, but it actually yeah, sold for 30.
Discount.
Yeah, discount for 35. Which is actually great because the one we were looking at the week prior, which is smaller than this and not as nice, I probably now that I look back at it, I offered 43 to that. So if anything, I saved $9,000 by sort of, actually, is that, let me check my maths, 8,000. Yeah, so we got this 8,000 cheaper than the offer that I put in my other Caravan, and now I can obviously use that extra money to do extra stuff to it if need be. Now, granted, looking inside here, there's nothing more I really need to do. I've got a projector at home, so I might mount the projector under here or the roof, and then I might put like a drop down screen over here, maybe in front of the aircon, or yeah, I'll figure something out. So really, yeah, that extra money I don't know what I'll do with now, but yeah, it's great. We saved $8,000 compared to what we were willing to pay on the other one.
Yes, guys, it's AUD dollar, guys, not peso.
Yes, no, not 80,000, 83,000, sorry, 38,000, because that's like the price of a mobile phone. So the whole plan, yeah, it's to be self-sufficient. So yeah, we've got the modem set up there. I'll get the electricity sorted out with lithium batteries and solar panels on the roof. And yeah, there's water tanks underneath, so in theory you can actually park this anywhere and have internet, electricity and water. Granted, you have to top up the water. The solar power will generate electricity and store it, but yeah, effectively you can kind of like park it anywhere and stay. Yes. So I hope that clears things up, guys, and I hope you enjoyed, yes, the vlog. Oh, I'm doing an outro on this one too. So thank you for everyone on the other side of the universe, and thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below, say thumbs up, all the great comments you normally do. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, like it, do all the fun stuff. You can share it with your friends as well. Make sure, if you want to see more of these videos in our caravan and travel series, make sure you oh no, we already done. Make sure you subscribe, yeah, over there. And if you want to be notified of the next video that we're going to release, hit the bell button, which I think might be here, there, somewhere here. And I will, or we will, see you when we see you on the next one. Bye bye, guys. Be good, stay safe, take care, and mwah, ciao la. Ayan.